Today we'll learn about how to take a test print, that is an ID card test print like this from the Zebra ZC300 ID card printer. So before going to the video, before taking the test print, you just need to understand a few things. The first one is that you just need to insert the card in a proper way. So here you are having a button, and this is the mode in which you can insert the cards. Okay. See? You just need to close it. Perfect. And it is showing that ZC300 is ready. And the next one, what you have to check is that there is a small button over here, and you just need to press it and open the this is the ribbon. Okay, just need to open the printer head, and you can fix the ribbon inside. Okay, it's very simple. Just keep it like this. That's it. Okay, and you need to close it. Now it will be, the printer will be getting ready. A minute loading time. Okay, now the printer is actually ready, because I have taken out the ribbon, and now it is fixed. Okay, and if you need to take the test print, what you need to do is that it's a third button, it's setting. It is not touch screen, but you are having the button over here, and you need to press on settings and print sample cards. It's the first option, and you need to go like this, and you can actually print one single side card, 10 single sided cards, 1 dual sided cards, and 10 dual side card as well. So today I'll be demonstrating one dual side card. Okay, I have put this as the selected mode, and I'm going to print this. Okay, now the printing process is ready. Yes, now you can see that it's a freshly print ID card which is dual side. Okay, and this is done through Zebra ZC300.